Mr. Chair, how
Yes.
can we be sure if the video that is going to be presented before the committee is totally unedited?
We will...
Knowing this person who has a lot of criminal records, Mr.
Well,
Chair.
we will seek the expertise of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. Alam nila yan kung yan ay pinagputol-putol o unedited yan. So, yung buong recordings mo, okay lang sa'yo kung papuntahin ko sa'yo yung PNP Cybercrime Group para to retrieve the recording. If it's okay with you.
Your Honor, Your Honor, ay parang hindi naman po maganda yung sinasabi ni ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol sa akin. Para namang ako talagang hinuhusugahan, ako'y may kaso pa lang at hindi pa napapatunayan sa hukuman. Hindi kagaya po ang ating butihing senador na-convict na po. Ay, wag naman po.
Alam mo, Mr. Morales, alam mo, Mr.
Senator
Morales,
Jinggoy, please.
huwag mong pakikalaman yung kaso ko. Problema ko yun. Yung kaso mo ang ayusin mo.
Your Honor, ang kaso ko po, Your Honor, hinaharap ko naman po.
Please,
at ako hindi
order. Please, silence.